Hello, everyone.
As a please, Ms. Khumalo, do you know the deceased in this matter, Mr. Senzo Robert Meyiwa?
Uyamazi umufi kuqala uSenzo Robert Meyiwa.
Yebo ngiyamazi.
Yes, I do know him.
How do you know him?
Umazi kanjani?
Ngimazi ngodadewethu uKelly bekune relationship.
I know him through my sister Kelly. They had a relationship.
Do you know as to when this relationship started?
Uyazi ukuthi leyo relationship leyo yaqala nini?
I-relationship yabo yaqala mangaphazami phakathi kwa 2012 no 2013.
If I'm not mistaken, between 2012 and 2013.
Were there any offspring born of this relationship?
Ingaba bakhona yini abantwana ababakhona kuleyo relationship leyo?
Yebo bakhona uyedwa uThingo.
Yes, one Thingo.
And how old is Tingo?
Uneminyaka emingaki uThingo?
Una 9 lo nyaka.
9 this year.
Do you know where the deceased Mr. Meyiwa resided in 2014?
Ingabe uyazi yini ukuthi umufike umnumzana Meyiwa wayehlala kuphi nendawo ngo2014?
Wayehlala kanye noKelly eMalberton.
He was staying with Kelly in Malberton.